Kaunti ya Laikipia irina kanya ga kwandandura mieke ya gukura na kwararamia unyitaniri wao wa wonjoria na bururi wa Amerika thutha wa Barūthi wa Amerika kugena kaunti-inĩ ĩno na kwiranira gutwika ndaraca ya unyitaniri na thirikari ya Amerika.
This governor is just the second governor that I have met since I arrived in Nairobi on August 1st.
Akiaraniria na Governor Joshua Irungu, Whiteman augite Kenya ni umwe wa mabũrũri maria mendagia magetha na njĩra nene bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika, akiuga unyitaniri uyu ni ugutura mieke ya mawira ma kuguna mabũrũri maya meri.
It's important to know that the United States is now Kenya's largest export market. And that just happened in the last month, in large part because of AGOA, the African Growth and Opportunities Act, which really started a growth industry in Kenya in apparel.
Unyitaniri uyu no ukumurika mathina ma wagi wa mai na ugima wa mwiri kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia. Governor Irungu akiuga mĩciĩ 50,000 nĩtanyĩtwo kwamũkĩra mai.
I wanted to come and listen to the governor's plan. I wanted to understand what he was trying to accomplish here so that we could use USAID, INL, other parts of the United States government to help forward his agenda.
We have discussed for the last 1 hour. We have been here in the meeting exploring the areas of partnership, and we have agreed on a number of areas that we can be able to partner together, and one of them being health.
Augite riri ni ikinya inene ukuri-inĩ wa kaunti ya Laikipia makiria hari kung'ethanĩra na mathĩna maria mathinitie aikari kwa ihinda iraya ta wagi wa mai.